guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video I will create this pretty Saraswati puja look. This is a very subtle, it's all pink look and this is very appropriate for Saraswati puja. So if you're interested to know how I created this pretty look, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So at first I will wear a hairband. Then for moisturizer, today I'm using this. This is Nivea cream. It's a very thick moisturizer. Then for lip balm, I'm using this. Next for primer, I'm using this. This is the Mars Hydra Glow Primer. This will provide a healthy glow to my face. Today for this particular look, I won't use a foundation, so I'll directly use the concealer. And for concealer today, I'm using this. This is the Swiss Beauty Concealer. Next for contouring, I'll use this palette. This is the Sugar Contour de Force palette and I am in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. It has all the three highlighter, blush and contour. So I'll use the contour from this palette. Next for blush, I'm using the same palette again and I'm using this blush shade. Now I'll do my eye makeup, and first I will fill my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Then I'm using the same concealer above and below my eyebrow to give it a more sharp and edgy look. I'm taking this in a flat shader brush. Then I'll do my eyeshadow, and for that today I'm using this NYB I Love palette and I'll use this pink shades. At first I'll pick this pink shade and I'll apply it on my crease. Then I'll take this shade and I'll just apply it above my crease and I'll blend it. Then I'll place this deep brown color on my outer V. Then I'll do a tiny cut crease. Then I'll place this color on the cut crease. apply this brown color. Then I'll take this color and I'll place this on my lower lash line. Then I'll take this color and place it in my inner corner. Then I'll apply kajal on the lower lash line. Then with the help of a Q-tip, I'll smudge it a bit. Then I'll use this Blue Heavens eyeliner, but I'll not apply it on my full lash line. I'll just apply it on the front portion. That much. And then I will apply this blue liner. This is how it looks. I'll do the same on the other eye. And then I'll wear mascara. I'm using this mascara. This is the Blue Heavens Walk Free Mascara. I will wear lashes too. So I'll wear this lashes. This is very natural looking lashes. So I'll wear this and then I'll be back. So I have put on the false lashes and this is how it looks. You can skip the false lash part if you want, and if you want some more extra drama then you can put on some false lash. And now I'll set my face using this. This is a very affordable makeup fixer and this is quite good. This is the Inside Cosmetics makeup fixer. Now I'll apply highlighter, and for that I'm again using the same sugar palette and I'm using the highlighter. Then I'm taking a small brush and I'll apply this highlighter on my inner corners of the eyes and below my eyebrows. Done. Now I'll wear lipstick, and for lipstick today I'll mix these two shades. Both are from L18 liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Orchid Fantasy and this is in the shade Pink Crepe. So I'll mix both the shade. I'll wear this first. Let it get dry a bit and then I will wear this shade on top of it. Now I'll wear it on the top of that. This lipstick shade perfectly matched with my sari. So yeah, we are done with the makeup. So I'll do my hair, I'll wear some earrings and then I'll be back. This is the final look, guys. That's it for this video. I have accessorized myself using some fake flowers. I have put on a black bindi, some junk jewelries, and I hope this is looking nice. I am personally liking the look, and for Saraswati Puja specifically, I love to wear some sort of flower ornaments on my hair because that looks so good. So as this sari is pink and white, so I thought to use this pink and white flower, and I hope this video was helpful and you like this makeup. you can definitely carry this pretty look for Saraswati Puja and you will be complimented for sure. So yeah, that's basically about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and we will be back very soon with another exciting video. And I have also posted another Saraswati Puja look video, so don't forget to check that out. I'll mention the link in the description box. That one is also a different look, so, and that was also under 50 rupees, so don't forget to check that out as well. And yeah, we'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy.